Sanibona, my students, and Happy New Year. Welcome to the first lesson of 2026. So, qala grade 8. Obviously, we're dealing with the mathematics, guys. So, manje term 1, the first topic that you should be starting with is properties of whole numbers. So, before we open schools, ngifuna nje ukunenzela just le video explaining the properties of whole numbers, and then as the year progresses sizoloke si-add amanye ama-topics so that sizoba ready for what comes next. Okay, let's begin. Kuma properties of whole numbers, remember in primary nafundiswa about number system ukuthi khona ama-whole numbers, ama-natural numbers, we have integers, sinama-rational numbers, ama-irrational numbers, there are real numbers and imaginary numbers. Ngiyakhumbula? Okay, so kwathiwa ngama-whole numbers, kwathiwa yini ama-whole numbers konje? So we know that ama-whole numbers, they need to be positive, number one. They are positive digits, okay? And ekubeni kwawo positive, they start from 0, okay? And they move up until positive infinity. And we do not talk about fractions. Okay, it does not contain fractions. It does not contain negative numbers, and it does not contain decimals as well. Okay, so it does not contain decimals, does not contain negative numbers, does not contain fractions. They start from 0 up until positive infinity, and they are always positive. So lezi number lezi 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Size siyofika ku positive infinity. That is what we call whole numbers. Now, asingene kuma properties. The first one esizokhuluma ngayo is the closure property. The closure property ithi whenever you take the sum of 2 or even more whole numbers, the answer ozoyithola lapho is going to be a whole number. What we are saying is if you take A and you add B, this will always be equal to a whole number. Okay? Considering kodwa ukuthi A beno B are whole numbers to begin with. So if ngithi mina 2 plus 3 ngizophuma nobani? No 5. U2 beno 3 are examples of whole numbers, and if ngiwa-adda angikhiphela u5, which is also a whole number. Leyo nto isitshela ukuthini? Whenever we take the sum of 2 or more whole numbers, we will get a result yani ye whole number. Similarly, if we take the product of 2 whole numbers, we will still get a whole number. Okay? Whenever ubone igama elithi product, sichaza ukuthi multiplication. Makuthiwa sum, sichaza ukuthi addition. If you take A multiplied by B, you will get a whole number as well. So let's say A1 this time around beku 4 multiplied by 6. 4 multiplied by 6 will give me 24. Okay? These two numbers of 4 and 6 are whole numbers. And if I take the product, I get a result a whole number. So this is what i-closure property tells us. It tells us that masithatha i-addition noma i-sum of two whole numbers, so thola i-answer a whole number. Mawuthatha i-product of two whole numbers, you will also get a whole number. Please guys, this only applies kwi-addition nakwi-multiplication. It does not apply kwi-subtraction nakwi-division. Okay, then we move to commutative property. A commutative property ithi the order that you add or multiply whole numbers does not affect the end result. Isho ukuthini leyo nto? Ithi if I say A plus B, it's still the same thing as B plus A. Yayizwa leyo nto? I-order in which I add whole numbers does not affect the end result. Meaning, if A wami to begin with beku-2, ngase nga-add B or 3, it's the same thing as saying 3 plus 2. Can you see that? Ngala still ngisano 2 plus 3, which is 5. Nangala ngisano 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay? The commutative property of addition. Ikhona nenye commutative property of multiplication. Yona izothi if ngino A multiplied by B, it's the same as having B multiplied by A. Let's say A1 in this instance beku-5. Ngazo multiplier no 4. Ithi i-commutative property is still the same answer as 5 multiplied by 4. Can you see that 5 multiplied by 4 is 5, 10, 15, 20? Kanti, oh wait, sengenze a mistake la. Khumbula B wethu was supposed to be 4. Then A is 5. Okay, sorry about that. So 5 multiplied by 4 is 5, 10, 15, 20. On the right hand side, 4 multiplied by 5 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So ka left naka right kuyalingana. 20 ngala, 20 nangala. Nalapha phezulu kwi-addition, 5 ngala, 5 nangala. So, i-commutative property ithi the order in which you add or multiply whole numbers does not matter. I-answer isazofana. Okay. And again, to reiterate, it only applies kwi-addition nakwi-multiplication. Why? Because if ngithi 2 minus 3, that is definitely not the same as saying 3 minus 2. Siyavumelana? Because phela 2 minus 3 will give me -1. Kanti 3 minus 2 will give me 1. And -1 does not equal to 1. So, ayisebenzi kwi-subtraction futhi ayisebenzi nakwi-division. Okay? This only works with the addition ne-multiplication. Then we move on to associative property. Associative property, what does it tell us? It tells us that the way we group whole numbers does not affect the end result. So yona izoma kanje. Let's say besino A plus into B plus C. Okay? Ithi lento, it's the same thing as having B plus into A plus C. Yayizwa leyo nto? I-grouping le. B beno C, they are grouped together. But ngala ka left ngigroupe B no C. Kanti ka right ngigroupe A no C. B ngamkhiphela ngaphandle. but ithi into if there is associative property and we are dealing with the addition, i-answer yaka left must be the same ne-answer yakabani yaka right. Asiyi-test. Let's say u-A wami u-2. Ngizo-add u-B na, let's say u-4. Ngi-add u-C, which is 3. This must be equal to u-B sithe ubani? U-B sithe u-4 angithi? U-4 lo plus u-A sathi u-2 plus u-C obani? U-3. I-answer yangala ka left ngizoqala ngokwenza ama-brackets. Akhumbula u-BODMAS, you start with brackets. 4 plus 3 kwenza bani? 7. 2 plus 7 kwenza bani? U-9. Shuthi ka left ngino-9. Ngala qala ngama-brackets. 2 plus 3 u-5. U-4 plus 5 u-9. So ka left ngino-9 naka right ngino-9. So can you see that in order in which you group your whole numbers when you are adding does not affect the end result? Okay? Lesibiza nge-associative property of addition. Kusakhona ne-associative property of qagela, of multiplication. Yona ithi if uno A multiplied by, wasiyitwist nje manje, sithi if uno B multiplied by into C multiplied by A, this should be equal to u-A multiplied by inside la sifake bani u-B simultiply no-C. Okay? La ngigroupe u-C multiplied by A kanti ka right ngigroupe u-B multiplied by C. Kodwa kusakhona ndawo zombili ka left naka right khona u-A, u-B no-C. Nangala khona u-A, u-B no-C. Kuphela into engiyenzile ngishintshe i-order in which I grouped them. Kanti ingitshelani associative property of multiplication ithi the order does not matter. I-answer izofana. Asisebenzise lezi number lezi zangenhla futhi sifanise. U-B on top sithe ubu-4 angithi multiplied by u-C sathi u-3 multiplied by u-A which was 2. This must be equal to A or 2 multiplied by U-B, which is 4, multiplied by U-C, which is 3. Siqala ngama brackets angithi ubani u-3 multiplied by 2 u-6. Ubani u-4 multiplied by 6. Okay, ngizokufundisa kanjena ke manje. U-4 multiplied by 6 uyafana no-6 multiplied by 4. Uyakhumbula la? Kwi-commutative property of multiplication. It is easier ukubala o-6 abawu-4 kunokubala o-4 abawu-6. So instead of saying 4, 8, 12, 16 up until ngenza o-4 abawu-6, why ngingathi 6, 12, 18, 24? Yabo? Isizalana-ke lento yama properties of whole numbers. So u-4 multiplied by lo 6 ophumela uyafana no-6 multiplied by 4 which is equal to 24. Answer yaka left. Ka right ngino 4 multiplied by 3 kuma brackets kuqala ngithi 4 multiplied by 3 uyafana no-3 multiplied by 4 kodwa kulula ukwenza u-4, 8, 12. Shuthi ngino 12. Mese ngiba no 2 multiplied by 12. Is it easier ukwenza o2 abawu-12 noma ukwenza o12 abawu-2? Correct, kungcono ukwenza o12 abawu-2. 12, 24. Shuthi nala ka right sine-answer ubani? U-24. So can you see that ka left ngine-answer u-24 naka right u-24 iyafana. So ithi i-associative property of multiplication and addition, the order in which you group your whole numbers when the addition noma mawenza i-multiplication does not affect the end result. Bese siba ne-distributive property. Acishe afake la magama yabo. I-commutative, associative, distributive. Okay, i-distributive property yona-ke iyenza i-combination ye-addition ne-multiplication. Okay, yona ithi mangino-A ngimultiplya no-B ohlanganiswe no-C, ngiyafana nomuntu noma athi ngenza kanje. If besinento kanje, right, besizothi let's say u-A wethu is, sisebenzise ezinye iy'namba manje. Let's say u-A wethu is 3 multiplied by u-B u-4 plus 5. Okay, i-answer yala yazi izothini? Ithi answer ngino-4 plus 5, which is bani? Which is 9. Shuthi this becomes ilo 3 lo la multiplied by le answer le la phakathi kuma bracket eyobani? Ewu-9, which is equal to u-3 times 9 uyafana no-9 times 3. U-9 times 3 u-9, 18, 27. Shuthi answer la u-27. I-distributive property ithi ke lento le iyafana nokuthi A multiplied by B ngimhlanganisa no-A multiplied by C. Izothi ke i-answer manje, khumbula u-A wethu konje ububa, u-A wethu 3 angithi, shuthi ngino-3 multiplied by u-B. U-B wethu sithe ubani? U-4 multiplied by 4 ngihlanganise, ngivule enye i-bracket. Le bracket ino-A obani? O3 multiplied by C manje. U-C wethu ububa lapha ubu-5. 5 equals to. Sizosolva le bracket le, mase sisolva nale, mase siyawahlanganisa. U-3 times 4 ufana no-4 times 3, which is 12. Plus u-3 times 5 ufana no-5 times 3, which is 15. Ubani u-12 plus 15, u-10 plus 10 u-20, u-2 plus 5 u-7. Should say this is 27. You see? Kuyafana. I-distributive property. Mese siba ne-additive and multiplicative identities. Siqale nge-additive identity. I-additive identity ithi whenever you add u-0 kwi-whole number, the whole number remains the same. Shuthi kusazophuma yona le number le ewu-A. Meaning if u-A wami kade ewu-7 ngase nga-add u-0, still ngisazophuma nobani? No-7. Njalo uma u-add u-0 kwi-whole number, you will always get yona leya whole number o-add u-0 kuyona. I-multiplicative identity idila ngo-1. Ithi yona, whenever you multiply a whole number by 1, you will always get that same whole number, which is bani? U-A. If kuwukuthi u-A wakho was 5 and you multiplied it by 1, you will still get bani? U-5. You understand? So, whenever you add u-0 kwi-whole number noma ngabe yiphi, leyo whole number leyo will not change, izoqhubeka ibe yiyona leyo whole number. Similarly, if you multiply i-whole number noma ngabe yiphi ngo-1, yona leyo whole number izoqhubeka ibe yiyona, it will not change. Okay. Then finally, sibe ne-division property of 0. Okay. I-division property of 0 ithi, whenever you divide a number by 0, you will get what we call an undefined result. Okay? Meaning, asivumelekile ukudivide ngo-0. Even i-calculator yakho will tell you this. Mangasi uye kwi-calculator yakho ufake i-whole number ewu-7, mase ufuna ukuthi uyayidivide ngo-0, izokhipha undefined, meaning ayikho i-answer, there is no defined answer. Amanye ama-calculator will give you into ebhalwe ukuthi error. Okay? You are not allowed to divide ngo-0. Another division property, khumbula phela i-division property, ingakho sikhuluma ngokudivide, i-division property of 0. Kodwa, if you take u-0 and divide it by i-number ethize, a whole number, i-answer yakho will always be equal to wona loyo 0. Ngithi mina, if uthatha u-8 and you divide it, if uthatha u-0 and you divide it by 8, you will get ubani? U-0. Kodwa for le case le answer le u-A cannot be u-0. Because khumbula, if u-A u-0, sesibuyela back la ekuthenini khona, you cannot divide ngo-0. Kusho ukuthi la, ma u-divide u-0 by any number, it can be any number except u-0, because we cannot have u-0 divided by 0. Kuzophuma undefined. Okay? And this, ladies and gentlemen, are my properties of whole numbers. This is what you will be learning ngo term 1. There's still more topics enzobe niwafunda ngo term 1. It's not just lawa, but the probability or chances are bazoniqalisa ngama properties of whole numbers. But othisha nothisha bafani, so you can start with a different topic, but ekugcineni niyogcineni wenzile ama properties of whole numbers, but it's likely that nizoqala ngawo. Okay, so kuma properties of whole numbers, we have a definition of whole numbers. It's any number that starts from 0 and increases up until positive infinity, and those numbers cannot be a fraction, it cannot be negative, and it can't be a decimal. Sibe ne closure property, sibe ne commutative property, sibe ne associative property, i-distributive property, i-additive identity, ne-multiplicative identity. I-additive identity u-0, i-multiplicative identity 1. Sibe ne-division property of 0, whereby whenever you divide ngo-0, you get an undefined or an error. But if you take u-0 and you divide it by any number, you get u-0. Okay. And that is it for this lesson. Sizohlangana kwenye lesson, and Happy New Year again. I hope this will be a prosperous year for you guys, and nizo enjoy mathematics, niqhubeke nayo up until even post matric nase university.